Begin this gentle Tai Chi journey today. Move with purpose, awaken your energy, burn fat naturally, and keep your body active, flexible, and youthful. Exercise 1. Flowing arm circles with gentle weight shift. Sweep your arms in smooth circles while softly shifting your weight, encouraging relaxed shoulders, a flexible waist, and better whole body coordination. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 2. Alternating forward punches with horse stance. Step into a steady horse stance and alternate controlled punches, strengthening your legs, engaging your core, and improving upper body coordination. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 3. Open arm turns with long reaching steps. Extend both arms wide as you turn and step with control, promoting spinal mobility, opening the chest, and enhancing graceful movement through your upper body. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 4. Side lunges with centered hands. Shift smoothly into each side lunge while keeping your hands centered, strengthening your inner thighs, improving hip stability, and supporting healthy knee movement. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 5. Hip sways with alternating arm reach. Gently sway your hips from side to side while alternating one hand up and the other down, improving waist flexibility, pelvic mobility, and natural body rhythm. 3, 2, 1, next. Exercise 6. Forward reach and back sweep. Lift your arms overhead, then hinge forward as your arms sweep back, stretching your hamstrings, strengthening your back, and improving overall posture. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 7. Side-to-side bounce with relaxed guard. Gently bounce from side to side while keeping your hands in a relaxed guard, improving ankle mobility, leg endurance, and smooth weight transfer. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 8. Back step with relaxed arm swing. Step 1 foot back with control as your arms swing naturally, improving walking stability, hip mobility, and coordinated movement throughout your body. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 9. Horse stance to open chest rotation. Lower into a steady horse stance. Then step and rotate with your arms open wide, strengthening your legs, improving thoracic mobility, and encouraging an open posture. Three, 2, 1, next. Exercise 10. Alternating knee lifts with forward and back arm swings. Lift one knee as your arms swing naturally forward and back, building hip strength, improving coordination, and promoting steady, confident movement. Exercise 11. Side weight shifts with alternating arm flow. Bend your knees as you shift your weight from side to side, moving one arm up and the other down to improve lower body stability and coordinated movement. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 12. Step back punch with controlled weight shift. Step 1 foot back as you deliver a smooth forward punch, shifting your weight with control to strengthen your legs, improve coordination, and build stable movement. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 13. Forward fold with gentle side stretch. Place your hands behind your head, fold forward, then bend gently to each side, improving spinal flexibility, releasing back tension, and increasing mobility through your torso. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 14. Knee lift with opposite arm reach. Lift one knee while reaching the opposite arm overhead, encouraging better balance, activating your core, and improving cross-body coordination with every controlled movement. Three, two, one, next. Exercise 15. Overhead cross and gentle squat. Cross your arms overhead, then lower into a gentle squat as your arms cross in front of your chest, strengthening your legs and improving shoulder mobility.
excellent work today. Thank you for moving with me. Keep practicing consistently. Honor your body and let every gentle movement make you stronger, healthier, and more confident.